Macro responses for JIRA. Save time and standardize messaging for JIRA comments. This JIRA plugin can be used on any comment box to save time and to standardize messaging by utilizing variable field templates within Atlassian's JIRA. Macro response is perfect for support agents utilizing Service Desk, as this plugin automates common responses and language for ticket updates and notifications. You can insert placeholders such as summary, key, issue type, reporter, and more for ease of use, time savings, and accuracy. Macro responses pulls in variable data fields for personalizing messaging, builds an unlimited number of canned responses, enables faster and more accurate responses, allows you to select categories to organize responses based on a file structure, has built-in searching and filtering to quickly add responses, and contains permission-based settings to the project so that the admin defines who can add or edit responses.
Okay, I'm going to show you macro response. One of the things that macro response does, it's a JIRA plugin that can be used anywhere in the comments box and allows you to automate some of your common macro canned responses, allowing you to speed up, automate a lot of the kind of mundane tasks that you face day to day inside of JIRA. So let's take a look. This jar, when installed inside of your environment, is turned on at a project admin level. So an example would be for teams in space. When you install the jar, you're essentially going to get a macro response subheading here where you can click on it, and for this specific project you are going to be able to automatically program in your own canned responses and be able to use them anywhere inside of JIRA, JIRA Agile, anywhere that has a comments box. So an example here that I'm showing is we're going to create a new response. We're going to put it under the file structure, so there is a hierarchical file structure. We're going to call this wrap-up response. And what we're doing here is we're using these placeholders that already exist in JIRA to kind of help us automate this to use it again and again and again. So an example will be, let's say that we are in Service Desk and you want to program in 3 responses. First, when somebody files a ticket, a status update as a middle response, and then sort of a wrap-up response in the end. So you can say, hello, reporter. We have completed this ticket and resolved. And this is where you can start bringing in key, status, whatnot. So as you create this, you're now able to use this anywhere inside of JIRA. So let's go into Service Desk, for example. I'm going to go ahead and open up TIS 74. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and click comment, and you can see this macro response button. You can also use Control-Alt-R to automatically use the I hotkey to load your responses. Basically then what we're doing is we're clicking on this, get the response. As you can see, it automatically brought in some of these fields from JIRA. One additional note is that as you install this, every project will have their own macro response, so you can start really tailoring it for at a project level. Maybe you're using it in JIRA Agile a different way than you would use it in Service Desk and whatnot, so something to think about there.